KJR Online Radio. It's about entertainment.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm your host, Linda Listen, your very own Venda model, and you are watching the Wake Up Party on the KJR Online Radio, where we give you the finest entertainment, the finest gossip, the finest tea, and all the information you need to keep yourself updated on the entertainment industry around here. Let's dive right into it. Today we're gonna be facing more of gossip, more of information, more of updating you on how our famous artists are doing. So first up we have apparently famous rapper Rude Kid Venda, also known as RKV, was recognized by the international artist Dex. He made a video, posted it on YouTube, tagged Dex, and apparently Dex has recognized him and noticed him. So maybe, just maybe, we're gonna have our own international artist from around here, which is basically gonna take Venda to like the top of everything. I can't find a word to describe it because we are already on the top. Like we're already on the top nationwide. So now we're gonna go to the charts internationally. So hopefully something comes up for him. Hopefully he goes on with it, and hopefully he just becomes international and just takes one for the team. Next up we have now this is sweet gossip. Apparently apparently the brand name Groeties. Plain J shirts, he designed something at the back. I think it's a logo or something. So Groeties might have stolen. Apparently he has stolen Plain J's design, and he has also basically forged one of the cartoons from Marvel Universe, and he has made it his own, which is he could go to jail. He could for using stuff which is not his, which is basically illegal these days. You can't just take something unless if you guys had an agreement and that Plain J has agreed to give you his logo and Marvel has agreed to give you their cartoon so you can use it for your brand. But a lot of people are doing it these days, but with him, it just made headlines and everybody is talking about it these days. So I just thought maybe I should mention it, that apparently he's using cartoons which are not his and the logos which are not his, the designs which are not his for his own personal use, which is so not cool, man. That's very low for me. That's very low on my side. It's not right. It's really not right. It's not right. I feel like you should, if you want to own a brand, you should be creative on your own. You should know what you want instead of just taking some other people's ideas and making them your own. It's really not cool because now you're gonna get more followers than the owner of the original brand, which is so not cool. And stealing is basically illegal, and it's not cool on everybody's side because now you're just lame. Now everyone is just going to be looking at you like, okay, I'm not gonna buy your brand because you took it from somebody. But most people don't know that, which is very wrong because now he's gonna be taking all the credit of somebody else's hard work. So I really think he stooped too low for that. But hey, a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. Next up, we have Sneakers Hunt. Like, I'm one of those people who's asking myself, like, what happened to Sneakers Hunt? Like, what happened to it? It just went quiet. It just went quiet. Of course, there are a lot of rumors going around saying, apparently, Candy World, the apparent owner of Sneakers Hunt, has given it up to someone because he can't afford to pay for all the expenses. Some rumors say that he wasn't doing a good enough job, so he decided to just give it away. Some rumors say that he just collaborated with some fine minds like his. So like it's just rumors. It's rumors going in and out, up and down, in circles, center, left, right, center, But hey, everybody has something to say about what they don't know. I mean, everybody is always adding in some extra salt. So maybe one of the rumors is true and the rest are wrong. But who knows? Unless if Candy World can, post on his Instagram or something and tell us what actually happened, because we were promised, I think we were promised 3 times that, Sneakers Hunt is coming. And of course, they just had to hide behind the COVID regulations. That's what everybody's doing. I don't blame them. I don't blame them. So, yeah, Sneakers Hunt has been cancelled or postponed. Nobody knows. It has been postponed 3, 4 times. People have been waiting because it was starting to become one of those events which are like the best, in the whole of Venda. So on my side, I would really like for it to come back, but they're just letting us down. They're just letting us down, and we really don't know what's going on with the management team, because the problem. You know what I think the problem is? Working with your friends, because I feel like in that whole squad, in that whole Sneakers Hunt squad, it was all about friends. And next up on the list, we talk about how I am back. I just had to say that. I am back and I'm your host, Linda Listen, and will forever be your host, Linda Listen. So stay tuned. Like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that comment and comment. Today I want us to comment something like Linda is back. So like, comment Linda is back, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you get notified every time we post another video on the KJR Online Radio. I'm your host, Linda Listen, and this is the Wake Up Party. It's the Wake Up Party. It's the Wake Up Party. 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 Boom, 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 boom. So yeah, that's just about it, and I'm out. I love you guys so much.